So I am up here on a customer's roof, and I took off their gutter guards, which, as you can see, debris is just sticking to it. They've had these gutter guards on here for probably about, I don't know, 10 years or so. And as you can see, they weren't really working. You got granules from the shingles, you got organics growing in there. I don't recommend gutter guards, honestly. Just clean your gutters at least once a year, and you'll be sufficient. But this is just insane. It's really a disservice to the gutter guard customers because they have to deal with this. So what happens is when the gutters are covered, this happens right here. All the debris right there is just staying there and decomposing slowly. When it decomposes, all of the dirt is going to fall through the screen. And when that happens, little trees begin growing, and boom, your gutters are in need of cleaning, and you'll also have to have your gutter guards taken off to clean them properly, which will cost you more. So don't get gutter guards.